endless forest. And what happened that day, I can only speak with extreme terror. Arachna hypnotica hibernated under the winter snow and came out to feed in spring.
Every night and every day, the rhythm never goes away. You know winner takes the prize when you're trapped inside the game. Every day and every night, need you with me, by my side. I can feel it in my veins, we gon' dance until the light. Like a moth into a flame, don't feel love, don't feel pain. No more wrong, no more right, we can dance the night away. Every day and every night, stay with me, by my side. I can feel it in my veins, we gon' dance until we die.
A musical? Truly, my nightmare knows no end.
Open up those ears and eyes and feast them upon us gods.
From what we've just encountered, your skills are quite against the odds. Fear not, my friend, with gentle souls we'll take a leap of faith. Prepare to jump and duck and swing.
For this we have to say,
hit your mark. Feel the spotlight swarm, embrace. Can you feel the might of drama's weight? Keep focused, friend, don't hesitate. Let your emotion take control. You better hit your mark.
let's crack you up instead. There's loads of laughter, guaranteed. A leap of faith so gracefully.
This is for the limelight. Hit your mark.
All right, if you're gonna carry on like this, you need to learn the proper way of moving.
There's so much for you to learn, my friend. Not only do you need to move the right way to survive, you need to feel the right way to live. Listen carefully.
Feel the rhythm, beat your heart. In the dance of life, find your part. Every move, every line tells our story. A tapestry of life, a flag of glory.
Sway side to side and keep that grin. Chase whispers, let the play begin. The stage is set, you're taking lead. There's more to learn before you're free.
Mastery is nothing small of perfecting every step. Every step of yours, a step of pep in an ever-changing time of prep.
Of gods of sad and happy tears, know every gesture's power. When you're gliding towards your destiny, this is your finest hour. Soar above the tracks that lay before you in the earth. We shall grant you mastery. Should you hit your mark? Hit your mark. Move it to the right. Duck under this and swing at that.
You'd better jump or else you'll splat.
I think you're starting to improve. You'd better hit your mark.
Don't make him say it twice.
Hey, lean left more.
No, right for sure.
You're getting more into the groove.
There are shadows that'll get you if you don't know how to move. So you'd better be professional or you'll find your end too soon.
It's looking like you're learning quick, so let's give you something harder. There's more we need to do for you, so let's get her started.
Up you go, use those legs.
Watch your head, protect your face. I think you could lean in style.
Watching this just makes me smile.
Up, 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 I say. Oops, no, I meant the other way.
Very good, you're doing well. You've come so far as you've excelled.
Focus. There's a million things to do.
Breathe. Use all your might to power through.
Think so carefully of which direction you should use at this intersection. Don't stop aiming for perfection. Hit your mark. You're almost to the end.
Don't let these silly obstacles deter you from what's possible. Let's see how far that you can bend.
Beat your heart
And let your feelings flow. We believe that you have shown that you can hit your
Somewhere, a blizzard howled across a barren fen. Sky had traveled these cursed grounds many times before. This desolation was all that remained of the Skulled King's domain. Once upon a rhyme, in Norwin, they say, reigned the Grey King, former favorite of Sagvar, cursed by the Dragon Doom. The Grey King feared death above all else and yearned not to die. And so, he traveled to the lair of Mar, Queen of Horror, begging her for everlasting life. The Grey King knelt in the shadows of Mar's lair, a man of pride reduced to pleading, "Let me live on forever in song." The mythic Mar was stern, but curious, and she granted his wish that the king and his soldiers would never die. The king was jubilant, but no sooner had he celebrated his immortality when there came report of an uprising, led by a rebel queen. The Grey King paced the broken halls of Ironhelm, Firebrand's light licking at the shadows. Through the shattered gates and splintered walls, the rebel queen appeared, unyielding, unwavering, unbending, unbreakable. "Who are you?" the Grey King asked, "that dares to fight what cannot die? I am the daughter you ordered drowned. I am Annika, the Spear of Norwin." Raised the Grey King's head high before the chieftains of Norwin. Her name became legend her deeds sung for generations. As for the Great King, Mara was true to her word. His body, cursed and lifeless, would rise again each night until the end of all things. A Skald King, forever trapped in my song.
Let the story of Annika, the spear of Norwich, strike fear in the heart of any tyrant who seeks to rule the free people of Norway. May her ghost drag the unjust into the icy waters of the poor, and may her spirit live on forever in song.
The river calls to her and draws
they'll sell you a charm, a potion, and just for a little more, the illusion of safety.
The refrain was born here, in the Aurora core of old. We called it a lick, a hook, an earworm, a pattern so perfect, it made us yearn to hear the same story song again and again. Its beauty was undeniable, its repetition irresistible. But the refrain was more than just a melody. It was a cage. Became enamored with a single genre of story song. For Sagvar, tales of glory and adventure. For Fars and Dram, stories of laughter and tears. And for me, horror, endless and unrelenting. At first, it was exhilarating. Each story more thrilling, more perfect than the last. But the more we created, the smaller our worlds became. What we loved most became all we could see. And the Aurora core grew silent. We became the mythic of our obsession. The Aurora core, once a beacon of light and creation, became a realm of shadows. The brilliance of our story songs turned to echoes, haunting and hollow. turned us against one another, and the Aurora Core began its slow descent into ruin, its brilliance fading into dim and distant memory. But that is the story for another Mythic to tell. As for me, I think we should have burned it all. The echoes don't just whisper, they devour.
Echo, echo in my head, whispers of an ancient land. Won't you take my hand? In stories you stay with me. I want you to stay with me. Patiently, I need you to ride for me. I'm running, 'cause I hear you calling, calling, calling. I come to you crawling, I'm falling. Hold on to me. I'm running, 'cause I hear you calling, calling, calling. I'll come to you crawling, I'm falling. Hold on to me. Angel, angel of my life, let your whispers be my guide. Take me deeper in the night. Stay with me, I want you to stay with me. I'd do anything for you to come back to me. I'm running, 'cause I hear you calling, calling, calling. I'll come to you crawling or falling. Hold on to me. Oh, I'm running, 'cause I hear you calling, calling, calling. I'll come to you crawling or falling. Hold on to me.
More treasure for the vultures to find, I suppose. Let me tell you something that scared the hell out of me. The story songs of Norwin were getting shorter and shorter. The attention spans of mortals were flickering like the candle in a jack-o'-lantern. The story songs from the old times, forgotten or simplified. And then I knew the refrain was back. The refrain like a stain of blood on the word art. I tried to warn the Mythics, but they wouldn't listen. I was alone, and I had to do something. I seized control over the Mythics, twisting the dreams of Norwin into endless nightmares.
What you're made of, I got everything that you're afraid of. I hide in the shadows and wait for it. Ain't nothing as sweet as you fear for it. I hear all the thoughts you be hiding. I see all the dread in your mind. Think it's a game, but that time's over. Do or die now, or just roll over. I get off from watching your wide eyes, dilated from feeling your demise. I know everything, catch you slipping. In my web now, you a victim. 2 heartbeats, I'm an alien. I'm incredible, you're developing. Try to fight what you can't see. Afraid of the dark, you should be afraid of me.
Razors on your tongue, praying for the sun. Trying to run, but you'll never hide. Almost over now, 6 feet underground. Screaming louder as they crawl inside. Waking from nightmares, you burst into tears. Glued to the darkness, consumed by your fears. Crown on my head, whisper words in your ear. Yeah, I know it's evident, but it's worse than it appears.
Running from me, I'm in your head. Nowhere to go, already dead. Can't get away, already inside. There's no escape, it's your last night. Too slow, falling deeper down. Vampires with their teeth out. Blood spray as they bite down. Gone too far, your mind now. Blades cut into your sanity. Skin in the ribbons, afraid of the vision. Soon to be casualty, losing reality. Heart is a cavity, screaming in agony. Really, it's overwhelming how your mind is melting. Got your mental slipping, you can't keep the rhythm. Give it to 'em. I've been killing it indiscriminate since the beginning. You'll never win.
Waking from nightmares, you burst into tears. Glued to the darkness, consumed by your fears. Crown on my head, whisper words in your ear. Yeah, I know it's evident, but it's worse than it appears.
Something about who we are. Print of terror and love with the dark, but inside there's a fear in your heart. Deep down, I know you're afraid they won't hear the warning. I wear the crown, but is it enough when these are the meaning? If they don't, all of the horror and the suffering was for nothing. The ruler of the night, but terrified of what's to come. Living afraid of the past, wondering how long we'll last. Spending your days trying to save us, but it might be an impossible task. Telling stories that they won't hear, cause nobody can face their fears. When the darkness is inside you and you can't run, what do?
Waking from nightmares,
be at an end, each mythic must face the refrain, and one by one confront it and subvert its pattern. Only you, Norwin's champion, have the knowledge, the courage, the passion, and the inspiration to stand before the story song of story songs and challenge its supremacy. You can win, Sky, if you find yourself and accept what's inside. The end is inside. My story songs showed humanity the dangers lurking in the dark, the price of greed, the folly of pride. Fear teaches us to be strong, to be clever. It keeps us alive.
Flying through this green escape, cypresses stretch out to new beginnings. Breathing in your serenade, flaming cardinals whistle in the howling wind. Teach me to be brave, fearless of this frigid storm. Give me strength to stay.
eternal night. A fleeting whisper doomed to fade from my overwhelming might. Curse the sun that's cracking on, but never let your hopes swell. Cause in the end it's a whisper in the cacophony of hell.
Sky had ended the refrain, and with it, they brought my stories back. For a time, Norwin had grown too quiet, too safe. No tales to keep children from wandering too far, no warnings to keep fools from stepping where they shouldn't. And so, the shadows crept closer, unseen, unnoticed, waiting. But now, oh, now the stories live again. New monsters now stalk Norwin, stuffing badly behaved children into their burlap sacks. But in these new stories comes a fearless hunter named Sky. Unyielding, unwavering, unbending, unbreakable. Because fear, my dear, isn't the enemy, it's the lesson. And now, the people of Norwin remember how to listen.